welcome back to my channel. My name is Daniela. If you're new here, please subscribe. Today we are doing an unboxing. You already know. And if you don't, I am subscribed to Boxycharm. It's a subscription that it costs $21, $22 with tax and all that. But it's great because you get like 4 or 5 products every month and they are great. It's great for testing stuff out that you've always wanted to try, but you know you haven't bought or whatnot. So it's always great. Here's a Boxycharm. So yes, let's get right into it. So this is what it looks like. Today, let me set that aside because I don't want to drop anything. It has this in the back, so packaging looks like it changed a little bit because yeah, now it opens up like that. So this box is named After Dark, which, you know, it's pretty cool. So let's get right into it and start digging up in this box. So the first item out the box is this Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. It is a green mask. It retails for $35. And yeah, so it's vegan and it's cruelty free, which, you know, we love. That's that. Let's go on to the next product. This is pretty cute. So the next product is a beauty blender. Illuminati beauty blender. It is called Illuminati Cosmetic Sponge. Not a beauty blender, my mistake. It's an we love when we can't talk. It's an it's an edgeless, reusable, high definition cosmetic sponge applicator, and it retails for $21. So it's a little sponge for your face that retails for $21. Great. The next thing we got is this iconic London. As you can see it, hopefully, it's an iconic London lip gloss in the color Nearly Nude. Looks super cute. Oh my goodness. And that's all that is. But this has like mint to it because I feel it tingling my lips. This iconic London, we love a good London moment, retails for $26. So, you know, I do like this. This is cute. On to the next. Next up we have Touch in Soul. It's the glossy pretty Touch in Soul Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm, which looks like that. Ooh, that's super pretty. This retails for $32, and I suppose it's like a moisturizer or maybe like even a primer, could be. But this is cute. I like this. This is how the packaging looks. Glossy. That's really cute, actually. I can't wait to try that out. And last but not least, the first one that I saw Boxycharm post onto their Instagram is, drumroll, and it's very well packaged. And as you can tell, it is the last item in this box. So we got the Dose of Colors Marvelous Mauves. That's the one we got. These are the shades that come with it. Super cute. Let's open up this baby. I almost ripped it. Oh, this is pretty. It's cruelty free, paraben free, and talc free. So we love that. This is the Marvelous Mauves. That's super cute packaging. Super cute. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. Okay, well, this is the colors. Super beautiful. Look at that. That's beautiful. And yes, it comes with a little mirror like that. That's super cute. I can't wait to use these. So we have Wine Stained Spaced Out Wishy, Washy, and Rosy and Fluffy by Dose of Colors. I've never tried their brand, so I'm super excited to see how these work. So the Marvelous Mauves Dose of Color palette retails for $32. I believe in total for this box it was $145, I believe, in total. So you know, for $21 you're getting $145 worth of products, which is amazing. And yeah, so far I enjoy it very much, and I'm glad I'm subscribed to this. This is not sponsored, but Boxycharm, if you want to sponsor me. The Marvelous Mauves by Dose of Colors, the iconic London lip gloss, the glossy moisturizer thing. I'm super excited about that, and the little sponge face thing. And also this, I don't think I'm gonna be using so much because I've never used the green mask, so I don't know how I'm gonna like it. But if I don't end up using this, I might just gift it or give it to my mom because I know she uses green masks. So yes, I'm super excited to use all these products. I really enjoyed making this video, and if you enjoy it too, please give it a like and comment down below. Let me know which one of these are your favorite products, if you bought any of them, or if you tried them out, you know, just comment down below. But thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for the next video. Bye.